So, where's Ninja Poison? The second saga. This Ninja Poison got two parts. Part 1 and Part 2. Ninja Poison Part 1, it's Riuken'S escape. Well, you gotta escape poisoned by some venom. And we got the venom, got some time to work, to make his poison work, and so during that time we got to catch an antidote, but the antidote is not enough and the poison still is making some effect, so we gotta catch all the antidotes you can in our quest to a safer place where we don't need the antidote to live. So let's do some story. Let's be faster than the Fast and Furious, because the Furious can be so fast. Understand? Well, I'll skip this antidote. I don't know why. I will just feel like I will skip. Oh shit. I'll just try to do that again. Okay. This is a good part. This next twin turn is easier. So there are some tricks you can learn. So I got the mouse pointer. Okay, I'll just pass this on. The antidote is making noise. Okay. Oh, the antidote, it's silent, but in my head kind of makes some noise. So I'm gonna try to catch up this antidote. This antidote is not difficult. Difficult is this part. Oh shit. Okay. So let's jump a little. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I lost some lives there. Never mind. I don't care. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, so I gotta wait here. I think I don't got enough antidote to... Oh shit. Gotta be in the first play. So you see, this game is awesome. It can make you enter in despair. It can make some keys strokes left from exist. Maybe broke some keys. And a 48K may fly out of the window and kill a priest by mistake, or it can make you pregnant your girlfriend. Oh, but that's another story. Okay, still.